Boom, watching you get some of the artists singing a dancehall right now representing life for D&D News Me. A summer, not change entertainment. I love it when you take it time.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to D&D News Media. Elephant Man run out in a Trinidad and him say him love Boom Dynamite. Him show him tribute. Him give him respect. I wonder if I really respect or I inspect because everybody did do some footstep. Viewers and subscribers, Elephant Man can't fool me. But you see, because we have him under pressure, cause him know what go on, me telling you, my people. Don't watch chat in the comment section. You understand? No for what talk and I be disrespectful. And me they ever pay them no mind, cause you what happen. Some of them not even have pound of rice in them cupboard. So, oh dear me if you go argue with them. When people stress and nothing to eat, them text it pan here, So make them go and text it in the comment section. Elephant Man, me not done with you, Me not done with you because you want me know people them say me to come talk again. The people them say me to come deal with your case again, brother. Because guess what happened to you now, Elephant Man? Before me jump in it, viewers and subscribers, with all respect you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. No joke thing. Turn on the post notification bell. Viewers and subscribers, we beat Elephant Man from left to right. Me gotta give him little credit, You understand? Him come out and him big up Boom Dynamite and whatever. At the end of the day, yeah, him do it because him under pressure and him do it because him know say everybody and their mother are pre him right now. Everybody have them eye ball on him right now. So it's only one thing that left the Elephant Man come do, I come give him tribute, And what him should have do, him should have got Boom Dynamite. 9 night, him should have got Candlelight and him did none of those. So at the end of the day, him come on stage and him say him not live for Instagram or whatsoever. I'm tell you it's Elephant Man. The fire burn you. The fire burn you, Elephant Man. And the way the fire burn you, cause your friend them round you pinch you and say, yo, you know, see how that deal with you. You understand? And not me alone, big up the rest of people them where put some fire upon him. You understand? Big up the rest of people them who have them channel where do what them supposed to do. You understand? But we put a whole heap of fire upon you, cause when D&D talk about people, and we start talking and we go down in our things, Me I tell you, anyway you're there, you have to run up and down like thief. You understand? So, my loyal supporters, them know say, anytime at all, me do video upon anybody. You're gonna hear them come out. If them are do anything wrong and you see D&D come and talk about it, they're gonna fix it. Remember, what the AT3 move like him nah no sense, And who come out come talk? No me come out come talk and say, hey TJ, what you deal with? What kind of thing that you are going with? You go talk about you go do and this and you go do this and that and rare. You just get one of the biggest song, give God thanks youth. And ease yourself. What kind of badness you chuck on social media? And anybody, God up in heaven and see, all of the people that watch my channel, no and a joke thing. Couple days after, don't you know say, TJ come out and apologize for the way how him that behave. Everybody see it, everybody know. So at the end of the day, I not do video for proof to man. I not do video for proof to people. If you don't like my content, you don't have to watch my content. If you don't like me, no problem. The more you don't like, the more God will bless me. The more you hate me, the more God will bless me. Because I am chosen by God. You understand what I say? Me talk over people's life and make their life change. You understand? That is power in the tongue. Me have power in the tongue. You understand? And me use it for the good, not bad. So at the end of the day, me always go bless. And them can't stop me. No matter what them do. No matter what them say. Nothing at all what them do, them can't stop me. You understand? Because them a try hard, Them a try everything, You see what I say? But at the end of the day, you know why them can't conquer me? Because when time them can go over one next man channel and destroy a next man channel and make YouTube take away man channel and do them look something there. I hope you me deal with. So you see moment them try to do them something there, all type of things start happen to them. Then lose all them job, all them care turnover with them, all type of things start happen with them. You understand? Anyhow, we never have the powers and have the anointing of God. Then take away off of YouTube long time. I feel like so them like what go on. You feel like them like the movement. I show them know them can't do nothing. Them can't violate. You understand what I say? So them have to just live and hate and kiss up them teeth and send a whole heap of negative comment in the comment section. That's all them can do. You understand? Because me looking at them house, me looking at them bathroom. You understand? Them can't do that. The whole thing them can do is go up on social media and chat be a nonsense and chat a bag of crap. Me can stand in my house and looking at them house. Looking at them bedroom. See everything what them a do. And all when them climb the highest mountain, them will never do that. You know why? Because them not chosen. And even if them think them chosen, it's not by God, it's by the devil. So it's a whole different ball game. So no see D&D, we are not the same. We are not no size. We don't deal with numbers. You understand? We don't deal with numbers because you can buy views, you can buy subscribers. I mean, the world change. Anything at all you want to do, you can use your money and do it. You understand? So we don't deal with numbers. You understand? We don't deal with likes and them thing there. You see me? So you can't come over here so come bribe nobody. You can't come over here so come frighten nobody at all. Because anybody who say like my channel and then subscribe to my channel are real authentic people. You understand? Real people. We not buy people. Nobody over here so not buy, we buy them. So if I have 10 subscribers, as long as them get the message, we not cater, we not business. If you have a church and you preach, and one man in there preach same way, must get the word. He must get the message. We not do things for people, man. You understand? We not bow to man. We just put the message out there, and if people like it, them link D&D. If they don't like it, them go somewhere else. And sometimes them go somewhere else and somebody lick them in them backside, them have to run come at D&D. Me see it happen all the time. Me telling you, you have people who listen to my channel for 6 months, you know. People that listen to my channel for last year and just link me. Because they're fed up. They can't take the pressure, they can't take the heat. Everywhere they run, nobody can help them. Nobody can do nothing for them. So at the end, them have to run come to. So at the end of the day, we don't run back on nobody. Nobody will not run back. Because one thing, if you have a cook shop and you cook good food, all if you're there in a mud, people come buy your food. You understand what I say? I same thing. Anything at all you do, from you do it good, people are going to look for you, people are going to find you, people are going to want to work with you. So at the end of the day, we don't kill up ourselves. We just humble and just share the message and make the world know what going on. Who want to reach out. Who want to stay in their misery, stay in their misery. That not nothing to do with me. Because when a man stay in their misery, you know, it do more for me now. Yeah, because sometimes I take up some people crosses and I try to fix it. And mighty God, you're your man in a big argument. Pay contention in your house. You think it easy as a spiritual person? You think it easy as a spiritual person? It's not easy. So enough people probably look upon the money and this and that and sometimes I get work and I'm afraid to take it because I don't want nobody crosses for me. Sometimes I get work and immediately from me take work, I see some little crosses and I have to immediately go do some bath and wash down myself. I don't feel like say, show me a spiritual man, things can happen. Sometimes I take up some work and some crosses or depend on some people, mighty God. I have to go see, I have to go to the river and go wash off. Because I come like I take out judgment for myself. But I'm a job I do. So I have to do it, don't it? The good thing about it is I know what to do to clear myself and cleanse myself. So when you hear them a chat off their mouth, viewers and subscribers, we don't do this for the fame, we don't do this for the like. If we did do this for the fame, you would have seen we are show our face on YouTube. Remember, you know, a whole heap of people across the world, you know. I work with D&D now, reach out to D&D now. And them not see me, them not know how me look. And not one of them can come and say them get scammed. I can bet a man $1 million. So who could it be but God? You understand? So if people never that feel God show me, I feel them would have work with me. Remember say a whole heap of scamming are going, People are scam every day, So I must the word, I must the spirit or the energy where I lead people to me. And that I get a lot of people upset. You understand? Because one time them could have called people and say, oh, yeah man, you're not say no 500,000 and we deal with this and we deal with that for you. And poor thing, people then they are foreign and swear things say everything are go alright. And when you check a stock, man get put out of their house, their wife left them. Next thing, man lose their job, pitney turn against father, pitney turn against mother. D&D make the people them know say here what go on. People out there where you can go so boom and work with. You understand? I mean, they have not talk about people. Me make the people them know say, yo, I know everybody I see same thing. You can send your picture, send your name, I will do the work and you see the progress. And ask any one of my customer them, me no collect full money. Me take piece of money. You understand? I make them see say the work I do. I make them see changes. I make them see what go on in their life. And then after now, I collect the rest of my money. Ask any one of my subscribers them. Ask any one of the people them I work with. A matter of fact, I can't even ask them. And them have to come tell you. Because the work we do over here is confidential. You understand? Yeah. Because you have people get help and get blessing from me. And me and them not good again. Me and them not deal. Because just life. People get what they want. People get help. People get care. People get us. People feel like so then they're on top of a mountain. So they not have to deal with D&D. You understand? I never hear D&D company internet I drag them and I say that the woman there, me do work fair and this and that. No, brother, you never hear we come out and do them thing there yet. You see me? Me get paid for do my work. That the person they get one house and get one care for them business that. I don't give a damn if me help a man tomorrow morning and them want to talk to me or them don't want to talk to me. Me only want to know say me do my job and me get paid for my job. You understand? And that me there with. So me and them are the same thing. Where if them wake up and a woman not talk to them are mad, them no want to go work, they want to chuck off of one cliff. They and these not that. Yeah. Sometimes I day here in my own local space. And sometimes I ever want to see my wife because I work. I love it of the business. Me have people, life where me have to fix. Me have things where me have to do. Me have this stuff to go. Me have that to deal with. You understand? When I family time, When I vacation time. You understand? But the people them, I always make sure and say, the people them well put together. The people them alright. You see what I say? Me see man live with woman. And the woman talk to them for one day and man are mad. Man want to kill themselves. Brother, no man, no mannequin, brother. Or no mannequin. You understand? No woman no want a man who weak or no style. No for a man them come across with them no style and weak.
We have a leak.
You know why me survive with my wife? I no money. I no pretty boy thing. I no church. Me is a man. And when me say alright then here what happen. At this me I do, me have about 10 or 16 people to deal with for this week. So you see when me have free time honey, me and you we talk, we do anything we want to do. But me have people work to deal with. And she gonna find something to do. Whether she go do grocery or she go do what she do, she do what she do. My house run on a principle. My house run on a order. As what the Bible says, man is the head of the house. So now how you see a come in a comment section and can't even roll one donkey. Talk to one donkey or one cat in their house. But they want to come be disrespectful on my channel. And me run my yard and me run my house. You understand? Yeah, I make it clear. When me say run my yard and run my house, it doesn't mean that the woman don't attack. Or if me say jump or I the woman ask why she for jump right there so. But some man, brother, some man, woman tell you to fly, brother. I don't not even think you just fly. I want to crash on her run come to D&D. Or on D&D if you fix the problem. Any woman who violate me, me no want to see them back. Me no want to have nothing to deal with them. Anytime a woman violate you and you run, go back to them. Them are going to do the same thing. Over and over and over. So, me and you know the same thing, brother. Yeah. Me and you know the same thing. Yeah. So, I end the idea. No for no getting yourself together before no come in on my comment section. Cause the reason why I'm going this so, because a lot of people are coming in my comment section. Them have domestic problem in them house. You see, when me talk about people, me not just talk, and I talk because they do something, Me I talk what go on in their life, I read it, me I do, No, I read it, me I do enough people not even know. So sometimes when they see me I do a video, and me touch upon something, I read, Me I read the people them right now where comment negative in my comment section. Some of them don't have a life. Some of them they have man problem. Some of them have woman problem. Some of them even have problem with their church sister and their church brother. And ask anybody, any real Christian or any pastor man, if you talk about something and the spirit lead you one other part to talk about something, you have to go over there. And I like courthouse, if you talk about a man do this, you have to stick on it. When you talk and the spirit take you over, you go shift from one part, go to the next part. So that is why sometimes when you see me I do a vlog about somebody and I touch on the next topic, because I not control myself. The spirit control me, so anything where spirit I say I eat me I talk. Or anything when me I read and I say I eat me I go talk. So me I go back to the elephant man, because I know no fan right now, no confused. How am I talk about elephant man? How am I talk about this and him gone there so? Because the spirit I pick up everybody who have been chatting a lot of negative things in the comment section and I go on like them now no sense. My sister on no stress out, my sister on have problem, my sister on no bills are backed up and But at the end of the day, I don't hate nobody. I mean I have nothing against none of you. You understand? Any problem you go through, talk to God about it. Do not try to take out your problem by the next person. You understand? Talk to God. Pray to Jesus. Talk to God. Ask the universe for help. Oh God, man. Social media get so corrupt where a man have problem with the woman in yard. And he see one video post. And because he have problem with the woman in yard, he go up on the people then channel and start this up with people. Then brother and me make a woman a give a bun. Because enough of man them will come in the comment section and go on like them bad. Enough of them a girl clown. You understand? No fan can't live like how I live. I'm married. And if I go out the road and see a woman who I like, I come home and I tell my wife, I will sit down and we talk. She not turn her back, give me a night time. She not screw up her face. Me and her know the same thing, brother. It's levels to this. When you have a verbal communication and your woman understand you and you understand her, nothing can beat that. No fan no can't even run on a yard, much less for run somewhere. And no one attacking with me. Or no one come in a comment section can get bright and feisty. Me challenge anyone on if you do that. And me not talk about no girl wanna. Me not talk about no man we live with them baby mother and have one girl out of road. They ever have, because me never say have. Me not talk about no man we live with them baby mother and like one girl out of road. And come tell them. So, so me I talk about man who live with them woman, bonafide woman. And can tell a bonafide woman say you saw another woman and you like her. You understand? And you can tell a bonafide woman say, yo, I saw one girl today, and I tell you, babes, the girl cock up and nice and red, You understand? And your wife just smile and run to joke with you and I honor that. None of you can do it. You understand? None of you can do them something there. Me and my wife is like two best friends. We talk about anything at all. You can't do that. You can't do that. Somehow, you live with all no woman and you not go through problem. People are holding you down with witchcraft. And you can't even light one candle in your house. And you don't want to come bright up on yourself with me. You not go through problem, and you do something for help on yourself. And you can't even light one candle in your house, brother. for help on yourself. Because a woman a go cuss or a woman a go put on out. But you know want come on social media and argue with me. And you can't even light one candle in an house. Eh? You can't even light one candle in an house, you know. Some man and woman are the same thing. You can't even light one candle in an house. For help on your own self. And you not hold down nobody. You not hold behind nobody. You not have look a problem. And D&D a try help you know. You can't even light one candle in an house. But you come on social media and disrespect D&D. And the same Obia wanna style me over. The same Obia wanna have a problem with. Me I live good. Me I eat good. Me I go places. My furniture them no wishy-washy. You understand? And uno you know. Uno. Some of uno don't even have a good fence. Much less a gate. And you not go disrespect a man about Obia. And you don't do no research and you don't study things. You understand? You don't study things. You so holy. You so holy, you know. You holy and whatever. But yet still in a life, stress out, you have all heap of problem, you have this, you have that. Me not have a problem, you know. It always stress me over when me get some work and me we do all the work today. And the person me I do work for not top call me, them a call me for the whole week. That the person they a call, this a person they a call, them time them stress. Sometimes if we all me stress, me never want to see nobody because me stress. The stress bad. You understand what I say? Stress bad. Otherwise than that, me nah no woman problem. Me nah no pitney problem. Me nah no problem with no neighbor. Me nah no problem with the law. Me nah no problem with nothing at all. But you know have a problem with me when I have no problem. That makes sense? No, sir. Something wrong with you, know. God no. But one thing though, you know, me I pray for you, you know. Yeah, man, me I pray for you, man. Me not just pray for my people them alone, you know. Me I pray for all the enemy them. And when me say them something there, let me make it be clear. I am talking about the enemy them. You understand? Because I end the idea, you will live with a woman and she don't believe in a certain things. So, make me correct a part what I say. So, I don't want anybody when I do any work for feel offended by what I say. You understand? Because I understand for the situation. You see me? A foreigner there, I will know how foreign people stay when they smell certain things or when they see certain whatever. Me I talk about the people them who bash Obia and have a problem with Obia and can't even sleep on one good bed. Them not even have one good bed. Are them people them I talk about. So I don't want none of my supporters them to listen to me. I said, John, no start with it. No, it not nothing to do with none of my supporters them. I love you and I understand you. Because my wife, I can't do certain things around her. You understand? Yeah, I can't do certain things around her. I have to respect her, cause, you know, whatever. But I don't like some guy road go do what I do. I do my work in my yard, I do my work in my place. Sometimes she even help me out at times, but she not fancy them something here. You understand? But it not come between me and her. It not be a problem with me and her. And me run me yard and me run my house. She make up her face and talk a little bit. But after that, she alright and me and her that. While me know people, if a woman say, yo, she not like that, no matter what they do, problem in their house from now until next year. All I'm saying is, woman not going to agree upon everything, but you have to be a man and make a woman know what you are dealing with. You understand? If my wife did stay like enough other woman, me and her would live. Me and her would be right here so right now because this is my job. This is my blessing. This is my gift. I put food on the table, you know. So even if she not like it, she have to like it. You understand what I say? Some of the people them understand what go on. Say I'm a joke thing, brother. Anyways, you see you elephant man, you is a drunk. Cause a long time the people them a call you, you know. I say you know fi reunite and no circle back things. But a year ago people even interview you. And you going like you're bigger than the world. And no boom than the mic dead. You understand? And true we are burn you out and people are bash you. You can't take it no more. Cause I'm not gonna say can't. You can't take it no more. You understand? So you come out now in a Trinidad pan big stage show. I talk about boom down the mic and rare. Make this be a warning to all of the elder them in the music business. Make this be a warning to all new artists. You understand? Me no want no man to tell me nothing. If you did hate a man, brother, hate the man when he dead. Me no want no man to tell no man, boy, I love no man and rare when no man dead. Go suck on yourself. You understand? A clout on a look. Clout on a look under style. Elephant Man is a disgrace to Jamaican music. You understand? In terms of your behavior towards your farmer co-worker. The person here is a person who work with you. You did up on a team with this person. And all when the man dead, brother, you still carry hatreds. And you mash up the crew, you know. You mash up the crew. But, you know, I just come out for just share how I feel right now. And just talk the facts about your situation as well. And I eat that, brother. I don't want to see you. I don't want to hear nothing about you. No, nothing at all. You understand? And I end that there, Elephant Man. He's a good artist. I'm not going to take that from you. You understand? And he's a good performer. But remember, you see, it's a 360. Remember, say your time I come, you know. Remember, say your time I come, Elephant Man. You understand? So, if I were you, I would ask God for some forgiveness for enough of people them where you walk pan and trample down for reach right top. Viewers and subscribers, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Big up all true believers. Anybody who don't believe what going over here, so, well, you cannot come over here, so. Big up on yourself, viewers.
A summer, not change entertainment. I love it when you take your time. Suck off my breast,